Every day, people are asking, is digital wellness actually legit? Can AI replace wellness coaches? Can ordinary people really make money online through wellness? And is this industry already too crowded in 2026? In this video, I'm answering the biggest questions that people are asking about the digital wellness industry. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Coach Fehintola Onagoruwa, popularly called Coach FO. And on this channel, I share over 25 years of experience in wellness, entrepreneurship, and building income in this digital age. If you want to learn how health, technology, and wealth creation are merging right now, then subscribe and let's get into it. First question I usually get is, what is digital wellness? Digital wellness is the combination of health education, technology, content creation, online coaching, and digital entrepreneurship. People are now using social media, Zoom, WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even LinkedIn, and AI tools to teach wellness, build communities, sell products, and create income online. When we started 27 years ago, that was 1999, we did not know all the transitions that will happen globally. So when we started, there was no GSM phone at all. But today, the industry continues to grow because we have evolved and gone digital. How relevant is your former industry or the industry you're operating in now? How relevant is it in this global age? Question 2. Why is digital wellness growing so fast? Simply because people are stressed, overwhelmed, and looking for better health and extra income. The world changed after the pandemic. People now want flexibility, remote income, healthier lifestyles, and more control over their future. I always tell people that you are the architect of your life. You need to go back to the drawing board and design what you want. Question 3. Can AI replace wellness coaches? AI can give information, but people still need human connections. If you have not yet watched my last video, please watch that immediately after this one, because I covered everything about AI and the wellness industry. AI may replace basic information, but it cannot replace genuine relationships and trust. Now, I need you to know that trust is a social capital. If people trust you, they will believe whatever you're telling them and they will take up your offer. Question number 4. Is digital wellness only for young people? No. Guess what? I turned 58 in January 2026. In fact, many people over 40 are doing very well in the industry because they have experience, credibility, and wisdom that people can trust. We have a wonderful grandma in our network. She turned 76 in February 2026 and she's doing very well, just building her business from home. So if she can learn it, you can too. Question 5. Can introverts succeed in this space? Yes, you don't need to be loud. You simply need consistency, authenticity, and a message that helps people. Once you choose to be passionate about wellness, you become an advocate. Simply start sharing your story. It's not about talking to the whole world at the same time. It's about helping one person at a time. Question 6. Do I need a large following to start? No. Some people with small audiences are making more impact than influencers because they simply build trust and relationships. Simply start practicing these wellness habits and you become a product reflecting what you are teaching. That is what people need to see. Question 7. What are people really looking for right now? People are searching for energy, weight management, stress relief, healthy aging, flexible income, purpose, and financial stability. 8. Can you really make money in digital wellness? Yes, but not instantly. This is not magic money. It's more of a marathon than a sprint. So it's not a 100 meters dash. You build, you create, and then you allow growth for you to start making money consistently. You make cash flow on a daily basis, and you also build what we call a residual income. Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, and Instagram are still very powerful platforms. YouTube is highly recommended because it becomes like a storage platform to retain your content, and the content continues to serve people globally over time. Question 10. What type of content performs best? Is any other question you would like for me to answer next? Please go to the comment section and type your question. We will take them next. Content that creates curiosity, emotions, relevance, hope, fear of staying stuck, and transformational stories. People don't just watch information anymore. They watch content that makes them feel something. Their emotions is involved. So they want to be carried along. They want, as you tell them things that they really value, they follow your content because they are learning more. And let your content remain transformational. Let there be action steps that they can take for better living. Is the wellness space too saturated? This question 11. The answer is no. The market is crowded with noise, but not with trusted leaders. Most people quit early. You need to believe in the industry before you even come into it. You need to believe in the potential of helping you to achieve your desired dream style life. If you don't, you will come in and you will go. It will be like a trial and error. Don't do that. Build the belief first, then put in your best. Don't just come in to say, let me try. Please don't come in to try. Please, you are the first person to be convinced. So once you understand why it is relevant for now, why it is useful for you to build your desired lifestyle, I tell you, nothing can stop you. Question 12. What is the biggest mistake that beginners make? Trying to look perfect before they even start. Many people delay because they think they need expensive equipment, perfect branding, or expert knowledge. It's a platform where openness and honesty matters. Let it be your experience. You will have the confidence to talk. So whatever you want to teach people to do, start doing it yourself first. It shows even before you open your mouth to talk. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that immediately for more content like this. Question 13. What skills should people learn in 2026? Communication, content creation, community building, personal branding, wellness education, sales psychology, AI tools, and video marketing. These skills are becoming extremely valuable. Best thing you can do is to become the kind of person that people want to listen to. Yes, you build your message, but you must also know how to put it out so that people are drawn to what you are teaching. Question 14. Why are so many professionals entering the wellness space? This is a big question. Many professionals are burnt out, both financially and emotionally. It's good to pursue a career, but honestly, ensure that that career, the skill you have learned, that certification that you have, remains relevant to continue to meet your own needs. And when you become a digital wellness coach, you get both wellness and wealth. It doesn't make sense when you are making money but losing your health. So come, let's show you how to get both without losing on any end. Question 15. What does the future of digital wellness look like? I love this question. You know, at age 25, I resigned as a military medical nurse because I asked myself a simple question. After serving for 7 years, I reviewed the 7 years. I just stood outside and I said, in 7 years, I had no savings. You know why? We were not taught how to save. We usually just collect the salary and spend, and we are waiting for the next one. I asked myself, and I also asked myself, if I stay here for 30 years, where exactly will this job take me? And that's the same question I want to put to you today. Whatever it is you are doing now, will that industry remain relevant in the next 30 to 50 years? Will what you're doing now pay your bills in retirement years? The future for digital wellness is massive. You can go online and search for works by Professor Paul Zane-Pilzer. He's a professor of economics. He's been making millions of dollars since age 26. And in the last 15 to 20 years, he's been predicting the growth of the wellness industry. He calls it the new wellness revolution. So you want to be a part of this industry that will be around for a long time. Nobody knew this was coming, but we knew because of such works that we have read. And so when COVID hit, the need, the awareness for wellness suddenly opened up. All the people we've been speaking to before then started calling, oh, how can I improve my immunity? Oh, what do I do to take position? The awareness, people's mind opened up. And so the industry became a $7.5 trillion industry just overnight. Join us now to learn how to live longer and in good health. So that tells you that there is a massive future for wellness, for the digital wellness space. Comment below if you have any more questions that you will want me to answer. And if you want more content about digital wellness, entrepreneurship, AI, wellness trends, and building income online, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. We're just getting started. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. God bless.